bia eso aye kama na ene akwakwa daide me ka chosa ma wo se enya akono wo se enye hwam wa shatare kama wa dress kama o kan ye kama wa appearance na fe na ukobie wano a na ubomoto huo na wo se ase nyina yi nkokonene African map aba wo se ase ni nyina no se wanya toothbrush papa antwo se wanya porcelain papa amfa mpo wonum wonya efibo ventures omo toothbrushes omo dia bani bi your Ashford Prince and your nkwada de and your Ashford Princess and so nkwada and your Ashford Evidence Ashford Executive Ashford Friendly and Ashford Galaxy na yesan wo toothpaste outdoor ubenya afi fresh herbal toothpaste ubenya get clear toothpaste aloe toothpaste and a peppermint toothpaste onyina no ubenya bi so to akoton o peba kwa su frame 0535 452263 0535 452263 o frebedo so na biaso ayekama na waje biaso kwe ediamam eno ediete brena so amnonen sembre no eso anya so na ye dae ho edi amnonen nsem no eso ediaba be don bra ye be break it down na attaching it down na ya knock it down na ye jejamu yompa Sompa 93.1 FM sunie send live on Sompa TV uko Facebook pictures audio videos audio na Yenshas ye emfri boxing pocket crow emfa emao ni nyina no so ramo boxing a uka so panwe ye fa the money pack you na owura no emrebe twam na oja ring kinuma udi agrobe cho sampa owo speed e on nsa no na so any hand speeder and na any famous weapon na nkrofo edinim no na at the age of 45 and na money pack you eso o chen skill no am obi on samasa ni famous hand speed no enyanyira he bebe ogina bia no batoto udi agura maso apantan ba yira udi agura obemo apantan soa obema gemna kutu etuma ye wafono enu no wo kire wiase ya ne skills no eguso ho adana ne weapon no gina ring ma obetu baako no wage 7 buy one get 7 free enu ye money pack you ne nsam odi abetu dwa ne skill no na ko Facebook da so ye jeje mudima no aka 9 days na AFCON aba be shase na ukoko pemo Ivory Coast so far 24 nations now baby obi abeta e krado baby obi afri ba e wo se mamu no e wo Sompa ye full time dwumadie no so na me mfanto ene so far Ramo Premier League no ma so far players clubs no omo be hwere no say na ho ensem tie obakaya me dom suko 56 players and every France omo league animal ba uko England Jawo so far 43 players and an opeo tip of so but the two of them say 11 players and if La Liga maba na Premier League no say na top Arsenal or mu 2 players ba AFCON ya and asa bako AFCON bako ko Asia na Asian Cup no so to dwa na Mohamed El Nani e France na ko Egypt ya wa Brante Takahiro Tomiyasu onu ko Japan for the Asian Cup and we ko Aston Villa ya Bertrand Traoré or Bob Burkina Faso oko Bomofa ya wa Brante Fani Dango Watara or Bob Burkina Faso and Antoine Semenyo or Bagana our AFCON oko Pemo Brentford ya wa Abrantia Nidino ede Branta ya Feron Saman Godos or no Elko PM Alko Boduma Ewo Iran and Kim Minjai Anasa Brantia ya Feno Kim Jaso or no South Korea or no Asian Camp and Alko Pima Abrantia ono sono ya Feno Frank Onyanka on your Nigeria and Johnny Wisa DR Congo oko Brightona ya Abrante Simo Adingra on Ivory Coast and Karu Mitoma also eko Japan for Asian Cup oko Pimo Banlia almost na Abrante Bako na se ho kra Banlia nyu obi ho na ko Chelsea yo Nicholas Jackson was Senegal or AFCON oko Crystal Palace your Jordan you our Ghana AFCON oko Everton your Brante Drisagai or no our Senegal oko Fulham Brante and Odini birthday no Senegal for celebrating the Kama and your 40 Ballon Toure on was Senegal and a Calvin Bassey Nigeria Alex Iwobi Nigeria from Fulham oko Liverpool your Brante Wataru Endo or no Japan for Asian Cup and a Brante Mo Salah or no budget for AFCON Opiamo Lutin Tower yo Isaka Bori or no Bob Burkina Faso and what you command City Opiam Fruama and what you Manchester United two players and the PM Bakuya Sofian Amrabat or Morocco or Nana no Pamdino Sam Tuja as or Nana Niwa Manchester United no Onana no Manchester United Adea Manchester United for some game against Tottenham Hotspur or Nana Niwa Omutomuna Omyam Shishu Omo into Onana within 24 hours or Bebo 2 games on the 14th of January or ball against Tottenham Hotspur or we are flying Abe Pemo Ivory Coast no Abe joining indomitable Lions of Cameroon no ball on the 15th of January against Guinea and no at the Dawami German as for them Newcastle a 0 Oko Nottingham Forest 6 players Ola Aina Nigeria Sergio Real Ivory Coast also Willie Bolly Ivory Coast and a Sheku Kuyate Senegal Musa Nakite was Senegal Ibrahim Sangari Ivory Coast Oko Piemo Sheffield United Omu A2 Brantia Yefen Ijasa Larochi Onu Algeria and Anis Ben Selemani Onu Tunisia Oko Tottenham 3 Yves Bissouma Onu Mali Song Women South Korea for Asian Cup Pepe Matassa on was Senegal, WhatsApp United, Naif Aged, Morocco, Mohamed Kudus, Ghana, and a Pemo Vahamtina, and a Brantia Veno, and one Hichan, on South Korea, and a Brantia, Yavan Just Habna, on Indonesia, and a Brantia Fenrian, Ali, Nuri, Elko Algeria, Bubaka, Traoli, Elko Nigeria, and no Ediatia, Yejamu Edamau, players as of Premier League no Morocco AFCON and Asian Cup no and no Edeba Mami Algeria Ricardo Mam Algeria no after training no na some coach you Jamal Bermudi one a Brante Feno Riyad no Riyad Mahrez no na so ye guests man ye and no after training Elko Bodo bus and your coach Jamal Bermudi and Riyad Mahrez atinensa atunu common coachito team Komasano, Nina Soko Pima, Nesoma Pimo Lumi, prepare. I'm a beer sweat my kama, and no idea for by a demamo, and ne ano pay with Median so, Mamim come Morocco, now Morocco Pimo Mamura, on a Morocco Timmy Bezia, Omusomu training, now Kopima, Memfantu a name, as a Morocco and Como friendly gamer, Morocco bet me up, Nina Sam, and come to the Gambia, a friendly game, now Kopima Morocco, training on team Morocco. Na yemfili omu kakra. If se so far no ma debi keke. Edma Morocco. Na game ne the Gambia bebono. Sa friendly game no. Cancel. No nam so ma cancel ntino. Morocco dia me tene na no pay. Ese nyame pasan day on the 6th of January. And that's on the 7th of January. And no Sunday on the 7th no. Omba fly. Afi Mamura. No mababe PM. Aso ewo San Pedro. Be won be bezama bibia eso e kamo Ivory Coast eno e de bedima mom na eno kopema on se Brante Feno Hakimi Ashraf eno timi boatima ye PSG a French Super Cup no omutimi age the Champions Trophy omutimi GM eno makin was West keeper Edma Tima ye fene PSG ase omoni age no omuhia Brante Feno Ashraf eso be bom na talent boy no one o de pa AFCON no obetimi eja bom Morocco papa ama bibia eswetma koye eja momom omu ogidie ama pasa ne talent na no odene na dwuma ne de or special quality or dibe bom ena pemo Morocco omu play be ye ven Ayub Al-Kabi na Kabi ne abusan so de team Morocco mugusa mo prepare mo bibia no ma ekwedma na sofa no ma ben ena odi tudwa sofa mo preparation training na motimi aye
ان شاء الله يلتعدنا وتسعد الجماهير المغربيه. السدادات كدوز بشكل زوين، طاقه ايجابيه بين اللاعبين. ان شاء الله نتمنى تكون شي حاجه زوينه بالنسبه لنا ان شاء الله. وبطبيعه الحال يعني لا احنا خوت بعضياتنا
and we are all capping no nina de all can say team Morocco omo concentration was so omo live well and so for mo focus wa de omo ye bia na one weapon one key omo success no fly enyina no say omo unite as one family and the key secret ama omo nkunim de omo success no eswetimi ba enu ensema odi to dwa de mama happy birthday enko ema Jeremy Boga na ukopema na Jeremy Boga di 27 years na PM was Senegal camper ho and a player no war na kwa ni birthday no na sombe se bibia betuma koye eso ediama no na ukopema me ya fe no Senegal so far omo friendly game bipo na omo ebebo mpa twemfa nwram ese Ivory Coast rather mpa omo fanchame Ivory Coast mom na ukoroma Ivory Coast omo a game ebo na game na omo bebo no omo Sierra Leone and a boss start the San Pedro and omuchema babia ticket prices you know ubenya ticket ni bi ato any ticket prices you know and omudi abana e be 100,000 sefa no and 50,000 sefa VVIP 100,000 sefa and VIP 50,000 and a premium so 30,000 and a PM category 1 hono so 10,000 and a category 2 3,000 and no dawa ye jejam adama nyara Sergio Real na uramo Sergio Real ye mfanto anim so PM Ivory Coast omo start San Pedro hono omo yo mu training no head of AFCON na Sergio Real na so far what the boys Russia omo enjoy twitwa pictures no ama be kama chase nchana AFCON no ba aba so no de tie nyenko DR Congo Abu Dhabi hono DR Congo so omo yo mu training na DR Congo no pay omu training no we temperature omu jam ye trainer 23 degrees Celsius and am patro me train wom omu say every day bia no 2 training sections and omu timi ye anopa and anwumre anopa ne anwumre no ejefi DR Congo Leopards no omu so ye ba ye de mam na no pay na o kai gini player we o pemo Stuttgart wo gini din ye from Esau Girassi na obiavisa ball awobo edima team e friend Stuttgart Bundesliga no anka winter we am team si bi tabri September so almost Stuttgart for the AFCON fase adea almost because of AFCON enya de se boy no ebe move afri Stuttgart na mom obetena obefru agesama eno edeba ye jejamu edama mo na oka Ghana ye play bi opema obodbo Uganda omu Premier League no ye friend Formido asi wome na boy no ball pass and say open no no pemo Uganda mu Premier League no or Patrick Edman Vipers Abromuchi Neck FC abomu 4-1 onu na desk no so no eno ye Formido asi wome no na onu na sato aso man of the match game no na pemo Libya coach Efeni Zoran Maki onu so touchdown obe shena dwuma say as Hilal omu coach ama biaso ya kama eno ede ba me de mamo dwumade no so eno ye Zoran Maki no na okopema Argentina per portamete eso mu di nkomo omni Italy di nkomo person ya me per month of March na se January February March omu bo friendly game eno ewo America eno ede dawa ye jeja mu dema na misunkuma lewa Ronaldo ono kwano no on Saudi League no omo breaki no be PM Portugal Madeira ama no akwa kwada pa no ni twa picture no me don sambrel na the private jet no and say was wo di free Madeira Portugal PM aso Dubai na o spend a few days na the private jet dey so kwa no wa ni giski no ni misunkuma lewa ni Popology no o son tomotoro no and ye Georgina Rodriguez and one no kwa na Ronaldo Jr. eka ho and on one kasa and ne bag a wɔkɔ no ɛna ne namfofo emie no baako di Miguel ɛna baako di Edu ɛna ɔmo ka no ɔmo kɔ for flight no ɛne ne private plane no ɛno ɛdeba na ne Tony Cruz ɛne ne birthday and then what did 34 years na run achievement when your football mu there massa or run up bra papa and here Tony Cruz no World Cup waje parku Germany o call La Liga waje 3 Copa del Rey waje 1 Bundesliga with Bayern Munich waje 3 Champions League waje 4 Club World Cup waje 5 David Poker waje 2 South DFL Super Cup waje 1 UEFA Super Cup waje 3 and a Super Copa de España and waje 3 nessa midfielders no adwuma de obobo goat ban fifiwa and Zinedine Zidane de atudwasa one day retire or beka chewiase nyina so no when your opportunity coach owura bi never Tony Cruz na ban position wa we great and we some around there atudwa ya dema na no pen na Saudi Arabia omo public investment fund no omo sesama omo prime target KDB and you Kevin De Bruyne person de bana bibia kama and we are there na more seller Saudi phone ni abrenam de mate from Liverpool more seller esaka crab na contract extension wajetuma ye am biaso ye fine ni nyina Saudi phone tata no na ukopia manura La Liga gamer etodwa and ye Real Madrid Real Mallorca Antonio Basabasa Rudiger and a go edima team from Real Madrid na so far Madrid ko 18 games unbeaten after Madrid derby omulusu Atletico Madrid Madrid no since then omo 18 games omo unbeaten obia entimi ense Madrid na Rudiger na after the game wodin sembi atudwa na sema Rudiger de tudwa 78th spectacular header na wa shawdinya win yentero de tudwa
because we lost 3 players in 4 months with the same injury, so yeah, like we need them back, we want them back, and they will be back soon, and we are here to try to work for them very hard, and so that at the end of the year at the end of the season we can celebrate together.
Omo prano and obon peso ombetima be come on be fitter no ma be koye edamo na season prawe ometima celebrate am bia kama na chuamini enura ono so boss center back na America do wanya we na ma menhwe enu akoda na ye friend Brahim Diaz na chance no say no masana no odin dodo hey empty net pan wa head akopimpo enu eye Brahim Diaz no enu na adaje ni poso he Rodrigo Piabo we man pa empty net pa masa ufie 4 year wa babia na eduachi na tuamini a center back enu against Real Mallorca na statistics no eye kama papa onu aka so nya adapt ye na mo challenge man 95% personal accuracy 76 touches 8 passes into the final 10 and a 2 out of 2 tackles won and a 4 recoveries 4 clearances and a 3 out of 3 ground duel won and a 1 block and no the dawe di emamo now kopiema yamfanton safaro Morata and no super hat-trick so far this is Morata boy juma papa so far 24 games hawabono with team 17 goals while 2 assists and no the transfer no for the first time team Girona etimi ehye wo inter history omo so dam 4-3 am bia kama say Girona this season omo win 15 games and so for my draw 3 omo lose 1 only Real Madrid and assist what team shetima ye fan Girona na say Barcelona for the first time omo sachi omo she omo and no edeba na uguramo Barcelona omo sport ko wakrata sport e dia betu ya say anopam the 20 Victor Roque omo register no betuma boy duma na Las Palmas and omo Barca game no be so bebo bia omo su we no do ma to win with Victor Roque no omo betuma chance e dia Barcelona no eye omo player fan Iñaki Pena e betuma dam na nya João Cancelo na yenya Alejandro Balde Juskunde Ronald Araujo na yenya Ike Gundogan and Sergio Roberto and Frankie de Jong e won finfio na Robert Lewandowski elidi attack ni Fantentenwa ebe Rafinha nyanya Ferran Torres no de dawa ye jamu na uraba makandre test again recovery no gusu koso na kon IG page wa post bi say day 3 na say recovery no egusu ekoso kakrakra ama bia so fine no dear by the Emamo. Now Romo Manchester United Casemiro. Ono so no ni Leandro Martinez. Yes, Portomo Carrington. Eso mu ye training. Na Oreven Casemiro. Dia metre sen agent ofano. Edna Ama El Nassau Saudi Arabia. Eso so mu pama se kwanda ho. Na Okopem United. Eso mu pe Abrante Timo Werner. Eno mu sa pe Michael Olise. Edna ko na no na Okopem a. Dia metre ma sa de no mu ayaye. Ama bia so etma fine. Na eno ede tia ye de emam e odwumadie no so. Ama bia fine. Na Opem no tam for somnya Roberto Firmino. Omso enye bad on person de ne ba. Na bia kamana mo Kopem Sarah say Jim Ratcliffe. O de metre so Professor Eric Ten Hag. Ebet Martina United akose season baba na wiye. Na mom resource be maye na poor resource ebe force na na take decision obetumi agya kwan eno e de dawa ye de emam e wo dwumadie no so na mom o Kopem wo Eric Ten Hag dena. Good news for Manchester City. Ese Erling Haaland wa baba kanra otimi ye training edima team no ema biaso eye kama eno ye Erling Haaland de free na so ye bano atwa wo ye training bia ye kama na ye mfanto se Chelsea omu Jesse for 2024-2025 season no adina leaking matabri ni satabrinwa eso ediaba na Arsenal are complaining ediama PGMOL for no Professor Game Match Official Limited for ese Bukayo Saka omu protecting no ni nyina no se kwa opponent no omu faso treat ni twitwa no na omu ni nyon so far season way uko Premier League na players ya foul on power third player and otosumi ensa ya foul na during timber na uko no IG Storia but on no brother na Quentin asu Asia Tonri ewo Abraton recently oba ebepiem Emirates Stadium no ema biaso etimi eye kama eno ede down na de sorry kra no okopema Jose Mourinho asu din sebia be Jose enche ni documentary ni ba Netflix na mom obeka ba na bon se obesan dia ma Roma no eyade se team bi eka chense ma ne nsan o mesan mo ni nyina okore Netflix ni documentary ni bia ena obehu no eno achi no wase Coppa Italia Rome derby omo ne Lazio behia no edua no obehu no e wo 10th January eno e de ba ye de emam na mom Mourinho nsensam no dos brana nyaso ye nyina so no omo chi ekremunesi e bom 2-1 no Coppa Italia round of 16 ye nyina so nsam odo a ye bobo anu na no pai wo full time dwumadie no so no ye mfansi e wa ha
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby ya gise 21st clinic nkwa womu dia bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert
Wahese wakosho akodi dwa ahodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma ahodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchanti e me chance na ma so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yakako bebia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ye hia o be ya de say o be dial star 110 hash netu yakako merchant bia ho e wo network bia so
Vodafone. Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya meya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oya me ho ade. Congratulations dear, me fa no kwa. Asedan komo Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What manane relaxation aye de. Awuto so a wunya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress eye papa. Eche yie eye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Teche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ni carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots a wo Ghana fanan nyina. Fre 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses near General Art, Science, Business, no waka kahon. Ever St. Andrews SHS, I had dinner ever pass. Osana one teachers now. Wash a window, discipline, no first one was yati. St. Andrews, Riviera, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Eric Chanabati, Pico Farm say, Warren Jimbo from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Bibiera or Ghana? Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, go school Woods, Ama Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
From our clean water tanks, water which is rich with natural minerals sourced from over 100 meters underground is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory run all standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obibini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority, because water is life, but unclean water is definitely no life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Zet Natural Mineral Water.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet. In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Partial Daily Jackpot. You always get way more with Betway.
If I shop, I'm sure you're bad.
Brother, and not so good. Ah, not
me share me see about Queen why me say.
Bra, said the time heba mesha esia Jimmy ni me fearful. Enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye.
We dey do this ofani nyina.
Bra, se me ka se me di time heba mesha ho adanse a. Riase nyina ebe te me nka. Enti se malaria, we dra ni time heba mesha.
Enya nu go, die na nu ato a wontimi ani die no. We dra ni time heba mesha. Edre enye ma oba wa fa afuro. Die wo ma akoda no fo. Ene akoda woni mfie dumienu. Ansa na obeto time heba mesha edre ibi no. Hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo achidi malaria ibi ansa.
Kayo se time ni TIME. Time heba mesha. Afi malaria fi be biada ni ziba ewo mu no. Ebe tua. Ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers.
Any herbal shop to do na mu.
FDA agi edwadue nkratoi ato.
Ediba Sompa 93.1 FM, so send live on Sompa TV full time. And your team kunya said bro Michael Akumiade Sports Messiah and Yatanase. So far a bus transfer ni BSA dia. Now per transfer issues player no free or cohen and transfers no details no say in the city ni the Sports Messiah. Messiah, good morning.
Good morning, Luther.
Bibi abokode.
Nyame adom ahwe ni experience. Bibi adaye. So we.
Nyame adom kakrakra. Correct. Yankwe na no dey running transfers no.
Luther ma yenche etiefo ne mo makwa banfambra some passports we na no pay. First of all, let's start with the Saudi Arabia operation. Now, Saudi Arabia operation no yenyine nim say last summer a lot of players in the movie call in the January transfer window. Dodo na wo areshemu wo and that will be say bia umbetima sa besis another players dey free mainstream Europe asaso dey omakwa kopie mu e Saudi Arabia, but as it stands they are on break. Ombe resume league in around February 4th no.
Okay.
And ombe saba start league ni biem. Now getting in most of these players to come in no e bi so ayo Madrid so ombe free honum dey akọ. Free timer na say ne Al-Ittihad boy. Game ne ended by 5-2. Besi na me no woka say Al-Ittihad fo hu ba bia Karim Benzema wo. Why unless why say bia akotete ba bia.
Oh yeah.
But in context omo hunu na adwen because there is a huge issue of Al-Ittihad. Issue no what Al-Ittihad ni nyina gina say omo supporters ni gi tumi ye say omo fa wa bano no age Ballon d'Or. Ana ska omo de be fa on na wo soro. Perform up to a certain standard that more any musa also to me perform the maomo. The edi kind kobo FIFA Club World Cup on a very crucial moment in the game who say penalty. The number botia na say results now farm they lost 5-2 at home. And they believe say now we are one of the weakness of the sides no in terms of performances. Esia support ni na dane akwa kosi player fan Hamdallah so. Hamdallah no 15 goals with 3 assists this season in 20 games for Al-Ittihad. As compared to 20 games for Karim Benzema, was 12 goals.
Okay.
Eso so dia momo. Karim Benzema feels like he has been betrayed by the supporters of Al-Ittihad.
Okay.
Because Kobeti me move to any other club in Europe. Because na form no ho.
If Madrid cry no na omunye se ombeja.
No omunye se ombeja le kwan and Man United or PSG would have snapped him.
Oh yeah.
And one also come out Madrid so come betray skebia so dey dey e dey amano. Look at the money Rafael Varane beje. Hweska Casemiro beje. Karim Benzema office anko beje say.
Obeje pa. Obeje asin omompo.
And Amana is quite disappointed and he's contemplating on a move away from Al-Ittihad. No aba bisi aka o mainstream Europe biem. Enyo no kwa Roberto Firmino o free Liverpool you so ko chinchini ya no akopie mu Saudi Arabia. Now Saudi Arabia hono so no so jitu me say 8 consecutive substitutions. That means we free bench about 8 consecutive times.
Okay.
On said and share a lot of goals in farm.
Meaning on your regular starter.
On your regular starter the moment say. So there is a huge question around on this in the future.
Nottingham Forest
for Nabo. Now, Kadiomo penny is and common for more 6 months loan.
Okay.
Already they've almost spent a lot of money. And in Biana Premier League in the composition music in terms of it my document more point. It's Comunia Roberto Firmino Luna. Emmanuel is now almost like a cano our fit. was here kind of Chris Wood. Say Chris Wood no one ma this some use attacking midfielders na dem be shima strikers dey omobo. So if they should have Roberto Firmino ebebo in this particular aspect. Operation Saudi Arabia consists of Hawa, Karim Benzema, and Roberto Firmino wants to find their way back into Europe.
Okay.
Operation Kylian Mbappe. Enra, but also have a story no after the game no. Kylian Mbappe in some of the two dawa boni nyina ma yete phone ya hwefo nyina yete bia hunu na adwene ne bibia. But this is the whole scenario around Kylian Mbappe operation. Sesi an obetimi ni team bia negotiating.
But team of France there. Ontimi.
Obetimi ni team bia negotiating but team of France there.
Ontimi.
Now teams say what outside France are show intention. Say omunyomu ni Kylian Mbappe be adwuma de bebre. But do no na wo gidie bi say we Real Madrid free on ma Liverpool na so mo ho bon mu kakra so betimi aye.
Because no players a tabloids no Liverpool dia ba mu pa.
But the financial stuff involved in this particular deal no, I'm not sure Liverpool will push for that.
Sir.
Yes. As compared to what Real Madrid might be offering. But the only thing that can change Kylian Mbappe's stance any nyoma e betimi akoso ama nyoma etimi asesa ne ebiniye. Luther Real Madrid this week ya ankasa ne enko remu early next week no, they will love to know the position of Kylian Mbappe. Contract ne ya drafted aho. Omo nyoma Madrid so mu discount bi be kan. Signing on fee 130 million euros so ba beje wade. 26 million euros a year. Oba usi kanasa ne betwa oka. Contract ni bibia from last year. Ya drafted that. Oh you ready so obesan abeye dey.
Best Oba no afa. Now Faiza One Sanchez also Mushiadin come alongside with Florentino Perez. It's between Dwikwe and the Meremu early next week, there's supposed to be a roundtable discussion on the said matter. If Kylian Mbappe is willing to sign, they believe some Comunian said yeah, Alaba AF from Bayern Munich to Real Madrid. By January, there was a pre-agreement between Real Madrid and Alaba on the course. Say at the end of the season, Oba see a kind of momo. Omo peseni na everyone in the same way. Omo peseni na nam kwan ba akoso. Na say pe the mom. Okay.
Na enu no na Real Madrid baby ogina say ne pese after next week no oye no anya response bi oba Racing Mbappe bi. Real Madrid feel say baby onu ni gina no oye in the right position. In the right position ne say Kylian Mbappe is not the most needed player for Real Madrid assistance.
Sir.
Oh yes.
Because of Jude Bellingham ana.
The impact of Jude Bellingham. First, nanka pressure ni nyina gina Vinicius Junior so. But edrum be ebeche between Vinicius Junior and Rodrigo. Rodrigo became as important as Vinicius Junior is to Real Madrid. Then Jude Bellingham so by much more important for this particular Real Madrid setup in terms of games be on my OG say more thing. And the impact of Jude Bellingham shouldn't be underestimated. And omo the investment on my true for Jude Bellingham ni nyina na omo ye stable say omo ye quite okay. Kamavinga mo na mu, Tchouameni mo na mu, all of these players ni na mu. Baby Real Madrid feel say be omo hia position and omo hia player top an kra no. Enye ni mu ho.
Okay.
Real Madrid give 2 years say no omo nya left back a. Ebe bo because say Frank Garcia mo ne the fellow man di mu ye ne de. Onye sure say Luther ebetimi afa de ayede. Ebetimi de amano. But odi no no koto nchen a osa be center back one now they believe that Alaba mu nyina grow out of the team na tro mu nyina be film, so they need to find another good center back for Rudiger the partnership. And almost say when they say acha next season or next two seasons Ellen Haaland ebe available am almost attempts ka de akwakofa no. So Real Madrid feels that their position now any baby omugina Mbappe is not the solution to all their problems. Mbappe is not the solution to all their problems. It's Mbappe tenase not to train and say no yes say there. Real Madrid are ready. Set Luther on betimi your money free. So if he doesn't want to sign. So the dynamics of the whole thing no. But I know they also want Kasabe brain because of some detail also loyalty bonus was oji. What I say, Kebi was so timid. It's a yafi no be Kasabe brain. But Real Madrid stands on Mujinani say let us know. Obana Oma. If Obeba pre-agreement with my day, Akoso. Then one boost because Oshomo Bokachomo say you want to finish your contract with Paris Saint-Germain.
Okay.
You moving on now. Bishop's was it?
Liverpool. Liverpool. Kasem na work cano.
Oh, I want to me coffee up 120 million pounds for Caicedo. I wouldn't be surprised signing on fee. 130 million euros. Maybe on buy Madrid by salary. Salary.
Because Salah so the contract extension or more dim commodity anymore.
Say Salah na Liverpool to mean Tom Mbappe.
Adentia.
Ko check your wage bill.
Okay. We get wage bill asem.
Amount to me.
Offshore asem. Oh, so that's it. Scan to be table so near to be your bank. Oh. So that's it. Me, I'm one of those that firmly believe. So it's quite that one, Michael. Mbappe will play for us.
Oh, desire no there. But the financial way no.
Oh, ben, na Mbappe Liverpool sign way you.
Want to me no.
And a day.
No, say no. Yeah, yes no. President seminar. Daniel. Oh, baby.
But you see, Luther.
Yes, Kasem.
The amount Mbappe so dream good in Tantan person be rashi season. Last time Mike be making concern who has said. Real Madrid now important players for Ballon d'Or and any maybe more fighting for them in terms of the global image of the club, face of the club no. Only Bellingham back or pre only Vinicius be pre
Tini nyina na omo consider.
Ni nyina wo tena se na wo hwe ne omo dia. Sa operation we ankasa no. Na nka team anka betimi a benefit omo a be benefit player. Omo mienu nyina be benefit pa no was Barcelona. Bomu star.
No, me I say, oh, you see, 73 more. Anka England near Liverpool and Chelsea. Then was Spain. No? Spain 2 clubs between Barcelona and Real Madrid. Mbappe will fit into the Barca way no more. One, he loves to operate from the left. Oba Madrid a left wing or no. Vini Junior well, Anna Oko Barca na he will enjoy that monopoly on the left. And then Barca need a real superstar to push. Joao Felix on your superstar.
Yeah.
And it'll be like Mbappe, the ideal candidate post Messi. Barca bet me right there on. No push the actually we say. But Madrid no. Say Vini no or Mbappe so call. There will be divided attention. Na Madrid no more shada and fabo get yes one. And ya 7 years can Mbappe no. Onyobia. Enti ont me nkodi mema say wo Madrid neso. So to me, there's a personal opinion though.
Udruya is the prima donna superstar in the team. But
not club no.
What I say, club ne clout in the washroom.
Exactly.
As soon as Mbappe gets to Real Madrid, he is the poster boy. Or say Cristiano Ronaldo free
Manchester United about Madrid.
Everything will come to a standstill for him.
And Madrid so dem no no Among fans on bit more flow do be among.
Look, that generation win, Michael. That generation, no. Obi any born, you know.
No, but you see,
you get the point. Yeah. And he has the superstar status at his back.
Definitely.
Mbappe aye in football that's far. This is all time. Hey, nka ma area ejina in that World Cup.
Yeah.
The previous World Cup, the modern one was so clear. And that's almost the Kobe Keke. Or ya crowd Bobo Nibi
2018
contributed and the Omoji World Cup. No. On the Champions League, no. The greatest we have seen, Ronaldo didn't win. But Mbappe in domestic football and then in Europe, there isn't a single year like I say Mbappe bat Afino went to me or he's consistent. And then a Farmers League and a problem. You will be more free call Montimamo.
Yeah.
You get the point?
Yeah.
Kylian Mbappe is the leader of next generation of superstars. On your headmaster.
Yeah.
Ubet me up Bobo Dino. Rodrigo. Joao Felix.
Oh, where do you go the song count?
Why be na bebo? Why? Oba England and why na was say? England why? Call Liverpool Luis Diaz. Arsenal Bukayo Saka.
Maybe Ellen Haaland.
No crowd next baby.
Maybe Ellen.
You have won the Champions League.
Haaland there no, the national side no, only sa way ne sa.
You see,
but in Europe no, say club football there. Haaland ne boss pan.
Maybe. Manchester City.
Ono ne boss pan.
There or Monaco no. Haaland na nyebi or Salzburg.
Okay.
No fa no nhwe mutrim. Or the Monaco ball semi-final no. Sa time na cry na fa ka omo no. Na Haaland na nyebi or Salzburg or Dortmund.
No, but it was about the
Erling Haaland. Bra or boy El Monaco no. Sorry, El Salzburg no. The Mbappe ball Monaco no bruso.
No, but it was about the goals.
Michael, say oba PSG. and they say Haaland about Dortmund and the Manchester City. No? It is a treble.
But individually, Haaland has been better. Goal per game ratio.
How?
In the Champions League.
How?
No, how near goals no?
Because Ostate Bordabe.
Ostate
Bordabe.
No, and yeah, maybe.
I had a problem with that because Sisiaka me say Mbappe go to game ratio. Mbappe has higher number of games. Remember they make what all started about 2019-20.
And that
season and Erling Haaland started about Champions League ni
okay.
Until say Erling Haaland the Champions League goes to games it starts from 2019-20 season. But Mbappe's starts from when? 17-18. No, 16-17.
Oh, Monaco. Maybe.
Yeah.
Now there's the argument. Haaland has made how many appearances in the Champions League per career? For compare Mbappe. Mbappe have more. He has the experience as well. Same way I would judge Haaland say when Timia and the Mbappe di Monaco ye inibino. Mbappe has more experience in the competition than he has. But if it comes to the goal output, Haaland has never disappointed in Europe. And as it stands now, one of the lethal predators of the European game limited to club football. I don't think Mbappe is better than Haaland. So on the idea, I know you're a different context, but clearly, just as I was expressing, media minya, I think Mbappe Barcelona a more ideal than Mame.
But Omunisika, Infanto.
Mame cut 2 operations be na me fair.
Aye, Mama be 3 minutes now.
The Stivao operation. The Stivao operation. Abidjan Blue for Haaland.
Chelsea.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so I don't know I'm Chelsea for.
Alison Marins. Or a Chelsea scout of Brazil. Now, on my boy room, money Palmeiras for. Palmeiras for say Chelsea for kuta 39 million pounds. Momo Mahon. Which is in and around 40 to 42 million euros. Chelsea so a person mutual 20 million euros. Now 21 and maybe 22 no more the variables.
Maybe an installment.
Maybe a bar or achieve say ya. Anna Branton and Casano obedi 18 by 2025.
Okay.
Iti Chelsea person komu BM. But the problem here is what happened to Andre Santos and Angelo Gabriel. Problem ni nyina no. Brazil for nkola no mienu adi ka akọ Chelsea under this project. Omo hu no mo ho ano. Andre Santos and Angelo Gabriel. Angelo Gabriel can Rebecca Strasbourg or Bo Nekama. But the mainstream said Chelsea Babe found no. Edward Kopeu age ni so kwa opportunity to play at that level no. It's a no. Because literally Andre Santos was one of Brazil's best players and under 20 World Cup. What did they mention? I said, I remember Chelsea for were happy say Andre Santos was Hana Cesare Casadei. So Italy national team no ha. Itiama Abrantia Nankasa said to train Nasi in that particular move.
Come on, D can ye hunso.
Yes. Now Ojam play be a PO LDU Quinto. Zambrano from Ecuador. Brighton for Manchester United for any abre. Zambrano omuji tumi ye say ono operation Zambrano no. Omuji tumi ye say ono the next Moises Caicedo.
Hey sir.
On a day screen you see. But Brighton for the kind of order that.
Brighton for no.
On what the kind of order that. 5 million euros we are born in Yadin.
Beginning low. No more than about 2-3 years later. Now or about Tiano Bafu the amount.
The reason why they are so much inclined with this as operation Ballet Banan Shedan Farmer. They need someone. And they went the amount enter to the Ecuador market. And they want to pick up this boy.
Mate, I know you're Michael. I come here response me Zion out and kind of full time. And you go say they brought Michael Sarabo to swat and say wa last chance about center say and can't say. Oh baby drew pa and nam ya dear ne how no. So beto na so no to so be 2-3 days na own century ya. Anyone kasa ko abusia panyin na busa no nsem. Ni nyina no say aduro ne ye obofo heba mesia. Ni nyina no say ya bibiduru a ya de China enubina China ha ma na aka Ghana de ho ne de aye. Nti do na no nampa. Uyo obi amu gentimi ne afisa ne wo nipadua mu ye. saa so na ya de se ukopiem so na oyobi a malaria how typhoid eso edi unya oyobi a na wapo no waposo nyina aye wo ya unya bia ebetimi aboa pa ama bia ye kama odo ani kiremo pharmacy 52 Kaswa Limited Mosque kwano so obom kwano so a obenya bi ato saa so 52 eba shop ewukumase Kenya si duase nana boachi wo kaisi drugline all the farmer shops no kwa benya bi takwa owas abibidro fie ana sanko tex pharmacy ewo Cape Coast mensa o takwa the market circle na capital O2 sunwane obetimi from 0574 353707 0574 353707 and answer obetuma from 0531 541755 na bibia aye kama asarbodu
yeah Luther well anti yet was with a preview of the AFCON once and right be year you maybe we about favorites then we
Algeria
exactly now from Algeria we move on to Morocco maybe this week the North African favorites then near TSC near West Africa for so then probably if Cameroon can be considered as a favorite they also become one I am fanning count but then the focus is on the Atlas Lions of Morocco Emra AFCON nimuntem North Africa countries number AFCON nibia or one of the countries are omunya kunya ne bobi at a later stage Egypt Mudin can't take a lead. No, Morocco came in. That was for the first time in 1972.
Okay.
What happened was that in 63, you move him in the other qualifying stages. Then in 1962, there was due to political tension on Tunisia, was it Derby? And you had the Tunisia bebo qualifying. So that was what happened. They withdrew. 63, Tunisia na ojitum so on bebo, but they were eliminated. Omo elusu 4-2. And then they won Omulusu 4-1 in the first leg, then they won 4-2 in the second leg, so just a go and a Yomufi moment me qualify in 65. Then the Moroccan Tunisian political tensions in the Sanso rise the then Tunisian president Habib Bourguiba echo Assembly about say the Arab countries should rally support behind Israel unim Israel ne omo Arab tensions and there's a conflict enti ema the Arab countries omo be full Tunisia president in pa ehun abufuo no ebi na bobaya that particular qualifier between Morocco and Tunisia because Tunisia was then the host in 65 Morocco said debida enya de obebo qualifiers in the crown na wakobo tournament e Tunisia asase so politics will ruin their chances for 3 editions 62 65 and then 68 but they will try and enter the qualifiers again in 1970 and Algeria mufrim so omontimi and qualify but in 72 omontimi qualifier when they were able to book qualification at the expense of Egypt and after Algeria it did not end well. Then in 74, Omar entered into the qualification process. In 76, they entered. And what happened was that Omutimi Ewini tournament, they were led by an inspirational captain, Ahmed Faras. The reigning African Player of the Year, Abraham Kwakobo tournament, And Ahmed Faras ended the tournament as the best player and Odio Moje. That has been the highest mark at the Morocco at the AFCON from 76 in the banana. They never got close to winning the AFCON until 2004. And across they lost in the final. So Morocco are just one-time winners of the AFCON. And think by history okay. But by recent performances, any display with the 2022 FIFA World Cup ninti ama the entire continent in any ababedue Morocco team so said dear no metimi this time around. They tried several experiments in terms of coaching with Hervé Renard it got them close but still they were far away from winning the trophy. Last edition Obekai what happened to them against Egypt. So clearly among Morocco team among for Wejidie wo mumudie. But enye didie bebre sa because what the Morocco tour now the Egypt tour now the AFCON in Koma, you'll be more biased towards Egypt because of history but also because of what they can do in recent times. Even at times Omabo Munkita team they come and they run their way through all to the final. They prove a tough nut to crack for any opponent. Now, Yamsha squad, so the squad net to swear the Maya. Morocco announced almost squad that is a year rich with surviving members of the 2019 AFCON squad. Then the surviving members of Vahid Ali Hozic, the 2021 AFCON squad. Then the best of the World Cup squad. And after more due to injury. And I was blended with the best of the Moroccan under 23 team this war. Omoje the under 23 African Cup of Nations or more qualify for the Olympic Games. Omo share Ghana by 5-1. In Tusha Srowa, goalkeepers, our El Kajui was part of 2021 almost squad. Then Yasin Bono, on the main goalkeeper. Then we're promoting a local goalkeeper. On my the other list now, I think that will be the best. Other goalkeeper no ASFA. Omoji the Moroccan League.
I think so.
Good. Omoji Moroccan League last season. Now Omo goalkeeper has been consistent in terms of performances. In the side here, a reward from Raleigh Wagragi or the Amane so Omra Council El Medi Benabi. Onon wa beka ho the 3 goalkeepers no mo banini. 2 our tournament experience Bakunibi. Okay. But he will act as an understudy. The main goalkeeper no will definitely be Yasin Bono.
Yeah.
Na El Kajui. I had the second goalkeeper. But some remuya na 2 goalkeepers in an unlikely situation so me pra. Then the third goalkeeper comes in, but he will tap enough from them. And so etimi akonkai. So that is how the list is. The defenders Ghanem Saiz, the NFN Roman Saiz. Good. Saiz was part of 2019 and 2021. And he urban a 3rd consecutive AFCON. And he acts like the leader in this setup. So, and they know the captain Emana. Then World Cup he's a dependable centre back for them. But Saiz and the versatility can also operate effectively as a defensive midfielder. Onobeli Diomo. Then Naif Aguerd, the best of the new generation, West Ham. An excellent central defender. Now Naif Aguerd will also contribute due to the recent performances. He was selected in the boy. Then Abdul Khabib Abkar, and so one of the new players who have entered the fray. Wamba 2019, Wamba 2021. So he's entry new, about born in new tournament for Morocco at the AFCON. Okay. But he's performing at club level. So you consider him, just the squad in Nkwa because Edino a pixelated kakra. Then Ashraf Hakimi, I think he needs no introduction.
Oh, yes.
He has been Morocco's consistent performer for some time now. And key players now. Uyi trepe. Ashraf Hakimi Din, I was say Bim. Shadi Riyad, a boss central defense, at the Real Betis, the Spanish La Liga name. Yeah, one was Spain. But and then when you see a kind of Morocco, because Morocco Mojano, a be ensuonimu. He's a dependable centre back. Intende Manuel Pellegrini and Kunjaneho. If Real Betis are doing anything positive in La Liga performances or even in Europa, Shadi Riyad, Eka Hubi Obua, Emmanuel Macron Kaimomo. Then Younes Abdelhamid, one of the experienced central defenders for Morocco. But on board national team But one thing about him, they say, aside playing as a centre back, ultimately slotted Sansu Kobo left back. And to offer the defensive selection now, Morocco players are defenders there, but they can also fulfill roles on the field of player. And more multi-positional. Make a multi-positional as ultimately bought this position and another position. But on the primary position, Enti Younes Abdelhamid obo as a centre back, but obetimi abo as a left midfielder or as a left back. Then Mohamed Chibi bought the pyramid. Also to me bo as a right midfielder, as a centre back, and then as a right back. Yaya Atiat Allah obo as a left back. Obetimi abo as a left wing back, a left winger or a left midfielder. Then Noazer Mazraoui betimi abo the primary position a right back. But Obodi in terms of the right wing, and now Obetimi Bono as a left back. Into the selection of defenders, there Walid Regragi and say, or share a team of defenders said that be suspension ba a praba. I can fall on another player or a similar profile or the same profile. And 60-70% of defenders about minimum 2 major tournaments for Morocco before. Yes. 2019 AFCON, 2021 AFCON, 2022 FIFA World Cup until they have tournament experience, which makes the squad very rich. Yamfa midfield Nelson Kanwe, Sofiane Amrabat, about 2021 AFCON Nibi, 2022 World Cup, one of their main performers, and also no account. Club level, no share down ball matches, no do but club performance and national team performance, no tie the year analysis say ya. I know you'll be mistaken because you will play beer. The club no more, but national team obebo. Typical example was Gareth Bale. Zidane in time you know, but he was always dependable for Wales. Anytime we use into qua or 29 the moment. And Sofiane Amrabat, any the knowledge and experience playing in Morocco no. Many say AFCON never for frone bebrea. The inactivity activity ko yi man you know. Ebedi ninya ewo eye AFCON nim. Then Usama El Azuzi. Azuzi has been a reliable squad player for Bologna. So what check Bologna performance in the Serie A this season? They are one of the best performing teams. And yet Andre Chia performances be a Chia, they would have been in the top 4 by now. Azuzi Eyobia, he doesn't really start Bologna's games. But Semremo Yadenya, he can come on and play. And that's so be so when he was even called up, Bologna Babe show appreciation. So they are very pleased that Morocco for our friend. So and he will also be there. Or a defensive midfielder now to say the Sofiane Amrabat 8 years. Salim Amala bought them Valencia. Amala and so Ebert me about 3 positions. Or a central midfielder. But Obert me use due to the individual qualities of one as an offensive midfielder or a left winger. Then you have Azedine Unai. Work up no be a club level Marseille Shadam Faisa, but he also has experience enough to play with Morocco at a major tournament. Amer Richardson, we no bet me one of the breakout stars at the tournament. Amer Richardson, you're just 21 years. Morocco under 23 team now. Omodeje African under 23 championship no. He was a key member of their squad. Omo friend by one of France, yet 10 of France, or about France under 20. And Obevremo Morocco, so they did not really understand how he played. And that tournament was his first major tournament with anything Morocco. And a 23 championship no. Into the first game no one Bob Bebresa Ghana game no on no free bench bide and no share go. Then he became a mainstay in the Moroccan under 23 team. Oboya Momudi tournament no, and it was one of their best performers as a reward. Or my friend also on Beka national team, but enya no kwa a club level. Even at the age of 21, or you're a key performer at the Man Club stadiums. And if he's part of this, it is because of the performance. At the age of 21, so best young players maybe Nasa Bibia Famana, Amer Richardson might be in the Tistronidine Fator. Then Belal El Kanusi, also an excellent attacking midfielder. On Joseph Penson about team back on KLC Genk. And he is a solid supplier of goal chances. And he said, Yusuf and the Sirimo, and no more than that, Hakim Ziyech Mutumin Cretia. When a bit me free bench, I make Cretibia Momo, so started Swa, or Beboa Manyoma Conkai. Then forward line, dear, Bebrena Yeni Momo. So I will speak to Omwa Yeni Momo. Okay. Ismail Saibari, or Borne Borno, over the Netherlands, for a year PSV Eindhoven. Omo that the Dutch Eredivisie in Esro. He is a key starter for them. Owomua Eboa. Then Amin Harit. And Konye new face, but a pra in the dining. Walk up went to Miankobi. So he gets a shot at redemption to be part of a Moroccan team bidding to win the AFCON for the first time since 1976. Then Abdel Samed Ezazuli. Oko World Cup Nibi, but he was a captain of Morocco under 23 team. You know. Then club level, he's not really seen much activity. But national team lady, Omer tries, Omer rely on him. Tarek Tusudali, Wapo Morocco team Nibi, he was part of the last AFCON squad. But and you'll be on tell you, you know. But on the bench, Krano, Obetimi Ababa contributing. So summing things up. This is what Morocco are presenting. Omo my experience. 1. 2019, 2021. Okabo they are 14 members of this squad. Omo bossa AFCON Nibi. Okay. 2019 AFCON 2021. 14 members of players we know. Omo Kanhubi. 2022 AFCON experience. Into tournament experience. Well, coach, you know, tournament experience as well. Okay. Then they have players almost answer form. Form, you know. Ebira Bebo Ame Richardson, Ismail Saibari. These are players who are formed at their club level, and you expect them to transfer it from club to the national team. And then they have players who are young and want to also write their names in the history book. To say Ame Richardson, nah. Morocco will be a difficult team to break down. Omo defense no. Omo defenders ni na multifunctional, but they are also streetwise. Se yeka se yembona dindim o metini abo. Se yeka se yemfa to so mpass o metini aye. And they have a goalkeeper who is very difficult to beat in Yassine Bono. Morocco betimi akonanimu a they will need their defense to be telling over this particular tournament. And how would the path be for them? Path ne say Morocco ewo group F with DR Congo, Zambia, and Tanzania. Under normal circumstances on paper, Morocco will top their group. Now, these are the likely scenarios if they make it past Omo group stage. Scenario 1, if Morocco wins group F, Obeshia the runner-up of group E, and Obetimia Aye Tunisia, South Africa, Bibia Betimia C. Mali, Namibia, also were the same group. Until the already second one will face Morocco, which means a quite easier a path for them. So Tosumienu on the group Morocco will face the runner-up of Group B, which involves Ghana, Egypt, then Cabo Verde, and now face Mauritania. So Mozambique. Morocco did the test scenario. And they say Morocco did third one in the group. Obetimeshia the winner of Group D, which has Algeria, Burkina, Mauritania, and Angola. Into the scenarios, Luther, Morocco breaking it down. Winning their group will help their cause more. But so this second employer, it means that winning a round of 16 games, we will not go quarter final. Obetimeshia either Ivory Coast, Nigeria, Senegal, Cameroon, Guinea, Gambia. Okay, have a clear path, and if they do their things right, maybe this edition will be the edition or maybe they are breaking the jinx since 1976 or winning AFCON no amuntimi njibida.
Mate, I know you Michael Saribodu no AFCON no aka 9 days na ehase e Ivory Coast na hon sem ne de da bia tenase ya de ebi eba no update how do through eba any countries no said omo air prepare eso etie ba bi obi ahye ma me nko papa poku so na papa poku so enwrewre mu a emfa ema papa.
Yeah.
Already, I can acknowledge you, Dada. Young rum, my.
Unana. The one man come away. Aha, I know. And I know Unana. And then Piquet birthday, be any gold stars.
Oh, yes.
Quaji. Motion happy birthday.
Daddy.
Oh.
Me many traso baby.
Okay, then I'm perfect channel. I'm going to go stars on the platform. We are not now, there is nothing wrong. Sabi Cameroon for the some about them. And I'm catch Nana say on bought Tottenham match in the and San Wabba AFCON. To him about Tottenham match. 6 hours.
Or fly through on
6 hours. 6 hours. And then Abrabon is Casemno. I away kakra. So I say, and also cry quicker. Say a private jet and one didn't beba. Then he will do that.
Private jet.
Yeah, of course.
Financed by Manchester United. And
Unis Ampa. Baby, I mean, Namaka can send me said them cry there, meaning the Amiabi.
Yana United focus as a friend and Saboka.
Only one they were Al Taib. Oh, no, to me, Nago, no one yard yet. And we are one side. I'll come here slow. Said the team never taking in a summer bar until so none dago. And we are one side. And Ichi. Any Onana at 54 no so one side.
Say
each mono person mo chese nyankopon na free soro eti omo mpa ebo se e also Onana concede 50 goals asa no akwa AFCON no. Enti na nenu baby e gina no. Each ne squad ne gina one side. And akomea so gina the other side. And omo twe da re. And yeso de se de oni mi no. Ebubo wa ye.
Yeah.
But it shows you the challenges. Didn't I'm saying Cameroon are not new to this. I feel
2024.
It's nearly 20 years ago. Omoko Confederations Cup na Mark Vivian Foucault we are.
Yeah.
That's Omo ball against Brazil to share the only goal. Omo qualify on the semi-final against Colombia. No, Tony Kromo.
No way.
At the ball Confederations Cup. Eja Hokoko ball Copa del Rey final. Or Spain between Mallorca and the Recreativo de Huelva. Almost share Recreativo de Huelva 3-0. Water Pandiani Shebako. And there to shame you. At the Cobo Sabo Nivieno. And not the ball final and I show. But we best start the tournament. Eja tournament in the hall. Ako bo cup final was Spain. I'm on the team Mallorca. We are our Saba Bebo.
Ebasi obetimi aka say player and you're committed to the national
team.
No,
you see, Accra we Nankasano, you should also understand him. He has not cemented his place at Manchester United. Ten Hag name manager. And the year before Frubia. It could have changed.
Okay, no cray.
You know, also who say World Cup ni yekoye and same see ya man Kofi.
Yeah.
Nancy no man penny intervention. Ebe mua Pobi Adaruma. Onana esabebo ama Cameroon national team. Until you've got to just oppose all that. So and send away to Messi Nipi. Said the equals in a Cameroon there and I could do there.
That's all Papa Boami in situations like this. And team in fact conflict and misunderstanding in my camp because me a goalkeeper, my bet in a camp, my training say be I'm meet me a Debbie. Now or Nana elbow game or buy one team even 2 training sections with the team. No baba be that.
One echo a pass. And Fabrice Ondwa. Ondwa.
There be Ondwa uncle.
More your mammy. Because only a pass.
Yeah.
Na me call Cameroon who more dwala no. Na see. O my emphasize the way insisi omo. Enye Cameroon. Ghana they now see any goalkeeper. Africa will be anywhere will produce goalkeepers papa sense go for way.
Cameroon for.
Oh, come on. Nkono no free.
Sure.
Jackson onana na why. Michael wanu neko. Ondo account.
Na Simon Enga Denitina is a password.
Nti omo the 3.
4.
About a pass account.
A pass account.
Good. So look, Gaboma. Jackson go do that team me. Jackson go Cameroon and order. Jackson go. Onye Cameroon. Ono ba ku bi so mpa ba ko. Antoine Bell. So Cameroon.
Na Carlos Kamani.
Nti no wo de den. Omoji AFCON no. One na that go no. Na Ondo. Good. Ondo ano. Oni go de that say akọ Abrante we. No tia. Oh. Ondo ano no Sevilla. Na brand na mbuyi.
But almost omunya lucky some goalkeepers so ko European.
Me say obi ani ho. Oman no Cameroon no. Africa why?
Because on Africa enye is so better African goalkeepers so European.
No, anase Antoine Bell. Omu ba ko da go was Spain Espanyol. Ansa na Cameroon e ko.
Yeah. Sir. Use microphone mama make
Buffon Gigi Buffon. I say ne the ohwe ne sun go die we nkono.
Forever and ever generations Cameroon produce some of the best goalkeepers. And I felt me Cameroon when I got closer to their football was in 99. About Ghana 99, no more Kruma. I'm on the Gabon. And Zambia. Na Gabon for no more our career I'm on the 15 years. A friend of Shiva Star Zigu. Then Papa say encourage Shiva for also you take me there. Daniel Ngomkome no boss our team ni. Ma Cameroon there. Goalkeeper nyomo na.
Okay.
So goalkeeper nyomo na crack. And without Onana they will cope. Cameroon there since time immemorial. Nemum it shows the riches and then the fact that players no omo ye o mind ba. Nemum be omo nyomo anu aduane. Europe. Until when you are dealing in that manner with them, you'd have to be careful. It's very important. More kasan semna. And you are not dealing with anybody but Manchester United. Of course, but it's a solid brand. Never be behind to change. ɛna ɛma Jose Mourinho chinchimi and Safa Michael Essien sa Nigeria koka no ɛda ye free mu ye ni Zimbabwe boy no ye bo Tuesday Benjamin Wari ne Sunday Liverpool ɛne Chelsea Stamford Bridge Essien bo 90 minutes em so hwe go kra so what I say ntini ye hu kwan a be fa so akan asem ye. Look, you see that story about omo free Premier League ni makobo Asian Cup any AFCON no minya listing be ma many beje, but you see the dynamics should always be about what this confederation stands for. Look, Anna is pride. Emma obi anko gina baby nkan sem bi entum futrongo obi ani say ai na me team ko je cup. No. Mohamed Salah waje Champions League. Waje Premier League. Liverpool akọ 30 years. Omunje Premier League wabe jamom. Since 2005 omunje Champions League wabe jamom. What is our trophies ni mi onu kabom. Now the AFCON ni see or say mu dey in up AFCON just I know me.
Sir,
of course. Yen na yan mo ye bre yi na ye de ya dwen say
ba say o ka say players nim say ho no munyo no aduane free club side. But Argentina national team no be paramount amana sene the club side.
Onya na no aduane of course okodi pa. Nemum ehinu free.
Ne mai mo.
Nsube ne di dware no.
Okay.
Eji gbegbra sesi a hin ne de ne beko.
De ne beko nchi.
So what I say. It is very, very important. Say you be this come away with another eye, focusing solely on the fact that these are national stars. Forget about Takehiro Tomiyasu ni Arsenal say Oko Japan na Japan be. He has to go. Hankwa na mostly. What say ya no mukem. I sense someone no manu edinti.
Premier League.
Yeah, of course. They are affected by the French league.
56 players.
Massa, every single
and
time.
And no only for AFCON.
Me see.
And this all the Asia no be come.
Every single time. The Copa World Cup in between tournament, in between. Obi an complaining because we stopped football for the World Cup. But then the reality is that there is pride and honor at stake here. One year, Nipano, so be sumu ya, one man how.
Yeah.
If you are not careful, if you don't relate with these players well, regards their national teams, I feel Obani Kruma and a ninja. Obey then, and now I say, Kuntunya and Konichi. The South Korea team on the Baba Boy. Son, one how they call it. I've dealt with those people quite extensively. Not Chinese, from Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan. Sanipa Kuimiensa. I did my friend in nationalism, and I said, I'm on my own uniform. Oh, Debbie. So, no one know her. I just don't know that Tottenham military training.
Aye. On national service.
Look, more than your media grow. Name mine. I say Susek, Sunyane Sunya High.
Okay.
Omomoto no. Me minty. And Yaminti. There is selflessness for nation. Hana mpanyufo ewie sika bobra bonni asisi yentino yehu omaya sama na ebuafu. Ma oman hu hiaw Ghana man ye wara audio. Ma oman hu hiaw men kase wonka hu. Look, you can't belittle nationhood and our statehood. Enye. Nemum, under the umbrella of Ghana, we have so many tribes coexisting. You've got to be careful. The African players especially should take a closer look. Here, it boils down to that. Here. So I'm Arsenal mobile now. Now I need car. Ne mama yare obey that to a draw. But son, one he chan on one he chan. So Bana Wolves want to cast some money mobile. Bet me about John book motors.
On the crew.
Easy. Obenya ni sika so akọ na we oba Adriana ebe ma say na betu Adriana say na ebe ma ntia oba so ta say
papa mpese o hwa de Ricardo video na me ye no say ya so Senegal anopa me ye video we ala gidi off Menga with the national team players score camp no more you know. Ocean the boot to cran and as for.
What about on Bossy Omina? Jackson says, "Oh, Pebrebia about on fanfare."
On fanfare say,
"No, do often know."
Mentia so Pebrasa say on the pitch, and I say,
"Oh, Pebrebia about on the ball no about no more." On fanfare, 1, on the boss in Jackson. 2, Sebi. Meaning that what you missing Jackson? We know better things.
Liverpool no.
So I say, but talent and ability wise, talent. So like, we say talenta. Do you know bossy money?
Pa.
So, but Mane has been successful than him.
Because of indiscipline, Tiana.
And the lifestyle, no, we not fatigue the training. No. Let me tell you a beautiful story. 2002 World Cup na yebo Korea. Yebe shase nanka police e ko che Kalilu Fadiga.
Ade.
Okoria ade or shop. Or lefty chain. Omo ko shop bi se no mo hwa ade a na lefty chain. Fadiga onye kromfo.
Na de na man ko fa.
Good. We na man fa de.
Diof.
On the Buba Diop. On the Buba Diop. We Buba Diop. There was another guy friend Henri Camara. Now, according to Kalilu Fadiga and Numasem, Omo was shopper. And Omo had any and Henri Camara can say we send them say shop where Senegal Dakar could be fire out the court. And a lad just said, "Oh, I'm Richard Cross still bet me their call." And Henri Camara said, "Baby, say look, Hanyek Dakar. Computers now there were no mistakes or be fan. And no call bet.
Okay. Met me the acquaint me.
Khalil Fadiga.
Okay.
The Fadiga or the didn't pay. Yanchino. Buba Diop ne kote to so monko joma de. We account corroborated by Bruno Metru.
Oh,
the late.
Oh, Abu coach video.
So what I say, look, I mean, Senegal are providing a feel-good factor.
Tell me my video when he said,
players, almost someone called blasters no be move.
And until me busano.
Almost
how happy the boys are
because they are allowed to work in peace.
Even if you crane boot, almost being in boot man.
Oh no, more pay.
Oh, it serves as motivation. The moment you have day.
Our hotel, come on. No, I call her training no be so almost. So only one that go into the pool. But only one kosa.
Ade.
Football penny for no crab muna. The problem is them.
Papa Martin that say I Sompa 93.1 so ni full time near the bro. Ye die ho ye ba. Ye di aka nyina be sign ato so e di ama.
Hey, Sewa, me who watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afeina me beko. Me nkrata kra ni.
Hey, ene me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanya otwe didi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarmenti akwanto ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua de a Express Group do be call mine be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say e to ana se visiting so a Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi, Asafule Roundabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From more mature for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
The ones that now
toothbrush no. Why and then toothbrush no. Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Nina Ashford dear. Not so evident no way.
Who that the evidence bang? And then Ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya mokumi. Ashford Princess. And now bra could you dear so Ashford Galaxy. What dear na irano so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive. And now my media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bro dodomi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. It's to phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They were so honey. Brakojo, what badia? There's some muna minari wadam fue. Na min to me no. Advice is not coming home.
I fed the wood a wood jarukun. And it's why better sano. Who can't tell us I can prepare or buff for her bambix ebreno.
Or buff for her bambix. Any he been them. Me so crassa. You know be more go.
Kwaku net is saying. And go here, bro. Jamie read your more yummy pan. And maybe problem on our come was some no. And no be pepe. And I make say mediano. Me no or buff for her bambix. And I'm to seeking king. Since me see an amateur. My wife crying so muka crack. I told her no so the aba. I'm not no era hubasa. And to go for her by Mr. No dear, you be here in Tampa. Oh, when you been more, Bebuamupa. Where the turmeric garlic, go to cola, and a ginkgo biloba. Turmeric garlic woman, and your papa, and you bravo munti, and what do woman casa, a dray, and yamma a painful, a bad time one more money for him Kodawin and Fedumino. Dudua, Last Chance Herbal and Healing Center, Pram, 52 Pharmacy, Kaswa Obom Road, and a pharmacy in herbal shops. One contact here 0574 353 707 and 0531 541 755 or both for herbal mixture.
FDA aji ejedi nkra to yatum.
If I shop down, I'm sure you'll buy you.
Bra, and not so good.
What time about Michelle see about Queen Wayne and say?
Bra, said your time about Misha, as your Jimmy me fear for any idea about ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Bra, so me cousin me the time about Misha one dance here. We are singing now about Temenka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Misha?
I never go, dear, and what I want to me any deal. What do any time about Misha? A drink and your mark or bar waffle through. Dear, one mark for down for any aquada when you fear do me and son of the time about Mr. Draven. Shasta Wako Hospital and NASA Lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3D malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be Adani Ziva, a woman.
Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers.
Any herbal shop to Tuanamu.
FDA Aji a Jadian Kratoi at home.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet. In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Partial Daily Jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
Right, yes, I'm Wakwaba Ediba Sompa 93.1 FM so full time. Ela ya de bro e wodwumadi no so na emom ye hye so se mizo drink na ye drinker afia manse agya tumpa se uwram e wo miamia hodo a no manyina ekoye edima wo mu programs ahodo a etodwa Christmas mu New Year mu nyina sorry demo ba bia na mizo fruit drink if say drink bia fruit ahodo ene no ma ye de awurawura mu no wonya binum abo ni padua no e ma ekom do kraw samme e ma ni padua na hye kama enu tie edi wadanse akamfo edi amao esema wonsa enka bi na no achi no ye side Miza 5G no so aba na no wo a omukodi asa ye ko programs awdo ye nwutufuo yi abra ne enua ba akokra koda ye se wo ye singatoni ye kwa ne ekukra Miza ibia 5G yi na chese otumi sa ma koda no wona kura so wo mre ne se ukọ siremu a ye nua ba ya ono so ye aduane no ono bia file no na file no ma ni nyina no so ye adwuma no wabre wonante akrab no wabre wonya Miza 5G a ebeboa wo se srade dos woni padua ma wonya bi a ebetimi anane srade no eso de ama enu nti ne edi wadanse akamfo de ama se ginseng wom green tea wom ena grapes ne yakama guarana no anso edene enu nti mon sanka bi number na edi tudwan ba bia obi ano ofra se mizo fruit drink na pese Miza 5G ye be bro bia mo ato emrante ne mabawa omode ka na mountain so eni nkrokra oduom won ma na wato bia kogu fridge nim oton drinks awdo na woni Miza na woni mizo so a wo hwe sika se emrante ne mabawa no nkrofo ba na woni bia ombeja wako number no 0246 270221 0246270221 and what you come manager Daniel 21st clinic Kumasi abenya bi etu akoton so be kind supermarket ewo abawa post office and man do so your sister sewa and mama Esther ewo Atcom Royal Ventures Ultra Baptist University ewo Kumasi ebuakwa and a PNC Ventures one man taxi station on a charity hospital junction e dey nhwe and a pim na search enterprise Asafo Binchi on VIP car park any day nhwe and a Kwaku company limited Okoforudua Eastern region Okwa Benya Biato and a AKF Kinju enterprise Udru Nrom hotel Swami baby ashan wona nchemo baby afa eya boshan taxi no obedu ho anom so o friend number 0246270221 baby obianom ye be kire na so so nsa aka wo de so se de brewa ye de ebebro Royal Foam Ghana Limited e force en kancho se e ba Royal Foam mattress na enu na mattress obi aja tum oda so enfon wo ye carpenter ni na de adwuma wonim te obi abo abaso enu Royal Foam mattress no if say mattress bi ane bo no ye na no quality no so no density no wosoro pa entima wonsan ka bi enu achi no mo se amanse adwomoto makumase ne asantman so adwomoto if so mo buy Sompa ne adwuma pa ne products papa omode eba no unya bia bebo apa ntima nsanka bi se ebia student one ape double na ape ana se 1.5 ani nyina no kwa onsa ebetima kame obetima from number 020 0202271000 0202271000 o from ombejo so asokore mampon Kumase ho ena ese omo factory no ewo kwa na bia kama 21st clinic eseka asiatica dia anke edi bronya wieye ena me dwonku ya me ya me nankokom twetweme ena me ya de na ba nanso enam 21st clinic adarumanti ya de na fa ne asiatica eso nankokom na koto ase na so wachi kase wachi bramo no na tutu no ene ni nyina to atwa ni nyina agyira evi so madaruma abibidro ena om de say ya de na ya de bia na efru trisu kosu na ase say asiatica senye asiatica ni nyina ombetu ase edi ama na opiem a doctors and nurses no om de sedi abegijo so om be krokro no matu yade na se edi ama na om pam yade no nkase yade no nkonsamra udu om doctors nurses a om abene no achi om lab technicians a mo jano so om di lab na om kohwe mo jano om be ye so om de scan machine scanning pedua na ni nyina 21st clinic omo bed ama omo more than 15 branches ewo Ghana ha opiem Kumase a ehwa overseas junction Alpha Radio nchawa na aben omo opiem oboase court junction o na se opiem a na se council quarters omo Accra domidwam wa na aben omo sunwane nkranza go so techima na wanchi ene mbia ahodo nyina no kwa 21st clinic omo branches in go from one number is 0540 311 0540 311 omo call center no ofra ombejo so ho ne bia kwa yaresabia ade chetimi fro ne abusa se ukonum no na tese e wo so me follow up no omo baba bia okra na ombetimi abama bia kama Express Group ese ankanto se obraninie wa bro chirani ni o na brana beju visa o passport woni bi kura na Express Group for sebra na omumfa ntu kwan na broche ne dia na pese o ye nkaso obi akontu kwa no keke o koye aduma o kosua de school na kwa scholarship express group for be boa mansaka scholarship no sa so na admission on be mansaka na exams no so trans no nya admission wa brochira omo boa na exams ne exam be odi na GMAT odi na SAT odi na TOEFL ana ye day omo boa wa tro am wa pass so omo two tests on be for tuition mu omo world experience omo ben on be boa ma no ma ko ediama enu achi schools no so be down omo say ebreso no omo fa nipa mo admission schools in the Dan Express Group. And if I bought one, the Pianya Camino, Juma, Apostle Koya, or da. Do call, I'm a Juman and Cassom do come walk when you're to a papa, baby, I bet dog when you're bominano, a bear camera at your man. Now, or more, offices outdoor, our Ghana branches in the doors, Kumase, or more Safo, Lepa runabout, a crack Kaneshi, first light, Hona Boom, friend number 0249 000 4448 and 055 55 50067 0508 111 343 and 0552 82 7787 or from Amejo Son Komobiano ono madina bibia so aye fine na Betway golden code promo Betway for say for the love of the game enuntino udi game na chamen de tire kwa de tire fasika wasmai meze usiko use twa na di Omadaruma every Friday be omon kasa hye games no omo de abroad and trying less than 1 cedi and trying more than 50 Ghana cedis do obetwa no 1 year yes I found usika edwa ye Betway o cash out wa no cash ni years sika no emu ode emu otwam na bia kama fa ho ebo omon kwa ne betting company no libilibi no labalaba bibia ya kama eni a Betway golden code promo no bon se okọ website baby a flip no bedu no na se ya tro code no awana se promo no ho na wa enter na bibia ya fine dama uni 18 years emfa ho so enwuram ebi eno de tem emfa nsem kakra boaboa no esu enwu from emfa emamo zemwuram enchen AFCON ebe shase ewo oman Ivory Coast mu aka 9 days na it's the first game no todwa enye the host nation Ivory Coast eso ne Guinea Bissau na eno na Roma Ghana Black Stars no abepie mu Kumasi Krodua mu a omo training na day 2 training session etimi todwa eso ewo Nations FC omo sports stadium o no Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex ho na omo training no etimi course na we players no Ocha Antoine Semenyo na so hwe Gideon mo ni players outdo aka omo day 2 training no as a unity na say let's do it together no ya dia ebo mo papa die wo ba ewura so na ekọ na Salidu Sedu no na so hwe Atizigi na the Ninja Boy odi ade aboni tia woko na so hwe Salisu Monaco player omo nyina na so omo join training no ma training ye kama na hwe military so guide to omo abra baby omo da we golden bina baby omo da ye don samama na omo ko training bus do omo ko na escort we di omo nim na omo wura mu Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex training a course my be camera coach ye friend Chris Wooten Masudi Dramani and George Boatin mo no ma ededa na akwa mu obia dededa na akwa mu bobom chasampa afi omo ni abre olele ye na dwuma as goalkeeper trainer pesa afi no makoye Edma Ghana na emretentina yentimi enye AFCON kruwa ni bi no afi enye ya afi na afi enye afipa emfa emaye eno ene daso ede ema place outdoor emedu de etene se ne ena no ma didema na se Inyaki Williams ebetuma bawe kotoko player Richmond Lamte ni mpese no efe papa pefata no na wokeka training section so kama on so a local boy na se no ma nyina zeal no wosoro pa no ma nyina dem kama eno de dawo na no akini yensanwuram Tamale Sports Stadium near Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium eno Ghana Premier League no outstanding game back timi to dwana Medema and Real Tamale United and ede ekopim so game ni bana we no na Real Tamale United etimi asha Medema eka baako a omo entman te na game na chi and ansam ko ededwa eno ne awuram wo Medema and welfare stroke operations manager ye friend John Kujo ekwedi nkomo se no ye tete bibi ese game no mukra no Red Tamale United fans no etoto no ma bi edebobom a na sansem my enchim the rundown of incident in the sea ewo Aliu Mama Sports Stadium.
That the first half no and our supporters no starting some more through issue. That is ice water, the higher block maybe. Tomato first one, referee the Dodgy, second one, a referee and can papa. Third one, a bomb match commissioner money traffic. And even they call ambulance to come and pick him. Jomugu no, I think floor on a mama, then the two structures man to go inside. So mama to go inside, may let's preach any bad. So even myself, I told them so mama blast them final hospital now. And they are the basically the problem. Yeah, the common some of them to the second half play 35 minutes before match commissioner Baba. Or by an Oba partner, so no go with V or more what they are born on that supporters. No, South Queen side, and no go for refuge in the buy. And no Baba friends say it's okay now, but to me, I demand the Emra and the law no. Once a match commissioner Bapa, referee Bapa, and here they hear me back. Around when I say 80 minutes, or Mutu, Shuba, Kuma, a boy, you play about your friend Kufiasma. Then I'm Yakasa, no me camera minds and more attack. You have to see what I have to support them. Or Mutu me here, and I was talking about the match commissioner. Because you have to have your ball. Second half a clear 35 minutes before between me. That's how you see them continue. That means, free sympathy. So, Obi Papa, Obi Nana, that the action or that means Omakazano, also no homo. And you say, to me, bad the stadium, that means they be on supporters, may to trust a woman after you drown a match commissioner and referee call about the Ghana football, the Yankupon, and the now after the first half, no. And our supporters must start some more true.
Ano ayan sama John Kujo Medema Warfare Stroke Operations Manager ano pewa tip off so abra yani ni din komo bisa no say de tete no ya no kre videos ni pictures aye hwe no say na nsem ne te no nya adaje a wo kirekire mu narrative bibia kama eso edima ya na say match commissioner no wo hwe ni ya or former PE teacher was na say bank asar board one ka chen say masa onkono nkope na ntwinam bi nwina was for nia brepe Milo games akoja wa ba se obebo ball no Mickey ana okay sana nka wo kope bi abo na agenda de ni explanation bia ya ka wi wo mic nim eno an se wo ko nka kope bi abo na super PE master no hwe ye fe no dosena na no na tunso bro ne sa ye hwe se ye bewuram e Tamale na Red Tamale United upon some winning 1-0 etia me dema no ye ne omukasa ma for Rafik eso di nkomo abusebisa no de ye tete no de ne kofa sa no ma no be de ne ko trigger ye de team of fra way e ba ye e kan so e no kra na de te no decision bi ba na ko punishment sen o mo be fa no ni nyina na ye twene ye bedidi hu nkomo ama bia so aye kamene mom hye no nsa Sompa party with the offense no nyame pa Saturday na eba so wo opiema wo Kumase Heroes Park Baba Yara Sports Stadium na Saturday be todwa enti ye nuanom orphanage homes no said en hye ne te no mo di so kama maye still na se nyankafo ne omo e wo se ye omo adoye ye che omo no ma no obetimi de odi aba ama bia ye kama o de ba na ye de amo omo ebe no so oye car trotro driver odi na sprinters odi no betimi di aboa afeso ye no so adoye a wo ye ene se e bia Sompa me de me car na abo afode muntofu walmum na mumfa nkofa nyankafo no mfa mre Heroes Park wo na eye Sompa party with the offense no entimi nkoso nyankopon be hira papa odi akras o me trotro no ne me de bo afode me ametofu walagum na nyanka no me de akofa bi edoma ba mo be party mu wiam sa do makọ bibia ni wa esene sa do ewe nyankopon enhiraw ni nyina no se nyame ebe hye wana mu be hira pa ma afe no 2024 aya afe pa dia ma enti enhya no se nyame pa da memne Center, Awia Donk 1 p.m. Ewo Heroes Park, Papayara Sports Stadium, and Sompa, ya party, yani yenuanum enyankafona, omu efi nyankafia udwe kumasimantemwa, ebebano, and omu ebekwa kudi, momo so, and abetimi diaba, and one send number 0598 559 802 0598 559 802 and 0241 272990. Dine Blizzard Foster and a Terra one na kakrebi also the bebanon na dia bo mamen ko na Mickey Yaba ahumano so ni nkomo emame Rafik aba ahumano so na oni nkomo from Real Tamale United.
Okay. Rafik, so Otebinka, good morning. Akwa aba so the Sompa TV.
Thank you so very much for having me on your set.
Okay, I trust you are doing well.
I'm very well. I trust you are doing good too.
Fantastic. So, just brief us as to what happened yesterday during the RTU Media Premier League game. There were some disturbances that were recorded, and from the viewpoint of Real Tamale United, how do you account for this particular action that took place at the stadium?
Yes. Thank you so very much for the time given. Now, first of all, I need to establish a point, and that is number one, a missile was thrown onto the pitch, but that was not directed, or the intention was not directed at the match officials. That is the point I want to establish.
Rafik, kindly hold on for me before we go further. You said there were projectiles or missiles aimed towards the pitch, but it wasn't directed at the match officials. Now, how do you explain this? Especially,
yes. So something was thrown on the pitch, and that's into the inner perimeter.
Okay,
but I would describe it as an accident. The intention wasn't directed at match officials.
So is this a beautiful coincidence or what? Because it happened at the same time the match commissioners were just about entering the tunnel to proceed to the dressing room. So how do you justify? Now me say, when you see a wabra match officials, no mo be rat tunnel ni ma dressing room. Into a beautiful coincidence and I said the.
Okay, so this is what happened. The match was on, and in fact, RCU was lucky. The goal number very early in the first department of the game, within the first 5 minutes. Now, Enkopim closing, and after Enkopim half time, I think 3-4 minutes to half time. Mickey did a very strong voice, stance, and I was in the inner perimeter. I saw that there was a fight among supporters in the stand. The same RC supporters. Now, and one say, now Ubino, one of the fans was insulting the coach, questioning his tactics. And Obi should counter or say, I don't know, you insult the coach. So a fight broke up among themselves. In the fight, that time, not ball, and it coincided with the time that the referee blew his whistle for the end of the first half. And the play has many match officials, normal match from the tunnel into the dressing room. Unfortunately, incidents cost the only command sports stadium here. If you are up there from the inner perimeter marching into the dressing room, almost to 2 a year. So somebody took a bottle of water, threw to his colleague that he was having a fight with.
Okay.
The guy got the bottle of water, and then it came down. By then, the match had the referee had whistled for the end of the first half, so they were now marching into the tunnel.
Okay, so
accidentally, and the bottle will be more.
Okay, so
a match commissioner.
Rafik, nice account. But help me here. From what from your narration, any video I see I share no. Oh, the bottles do say no more to ye.
The bottles do say no to ye. So I shouldn't be able to tell. This is a fight. For instance, left, right, center. So I cannot, be in a better position to, say almost to 3 bottles and I say 10 bottles.
So from the NF shower, and my men describe it the shower. Say no, the boy bra. That one on our There, yeni from the video footage na yenya wahano. Yehu RTU supporters say, Oma bang the rails of the stands no, omujina home. And omo pointy omonsa editia match commissioner, match officials now, omo proceed ebe rata no.
That video na I've seen it. That video is it's a doctored video. Check it very well. This guy you are talking about, I saw someone in white. He's called Razak. Razak is not even in Ghana as of now.
It's a doctored video.
We have seen it. And we saw the video.
I know your doctored video.
It's a doctored video. Razak is not even in the Ghana. There's one guy in white.
And sad doctored video no. And no match benza. Obet me aboy.
Okay.
And no match benza na obi na coach cha. Nyoma na yeto to ne de be video nim.
I can't get you there, brother.
No, you said it was a doctored video, or it is a doctored video, and I'm asking, does it then mean that the things that were being thrown in that particular video are...
There is what?
Can you hear me clearly?
Your voice, it appears you are far away from the phone.
No, I am very close to the microphone. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Am I audible enough?
Hello?
Am I audible enough? Otemenka?
I'm struggling to hear you, my brother.
Rafik, I think that we will continue to dilly-dally with this, and then it might not help us.
I am telling you that the video you saw, or the video you are referring to, I have seen this video yesterday, and I'm telling you that there's one guy in that video who is wearing white, and that guy is not even asked that work in the country.
Okay.
It's a doctored video.
All right, well understood. There are other footages of...
You can speak to the man official, everyone who was there, the security personnel, who saw what happened.
Okay, no problem. Well understood. To the next one. There is another video of certain RTU fans.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Hello?
Rafik, can you hear me? Later, on Timinka, I think I'm coming over here.
Yeah, fancy because video no cry no. Na ohwe video ni ya video na ankasa cry timi narrating ho.
Yeah.
Narrating ho pa na ohun said
this. Video no say back we doctored. Yeah, doctored. So maybe we'll speak to it.
Because when he started say when he didn't come on what he kasa kama. Ibi abati do baby also justify no manam say also want yenka.
Ahoma mu asem untimi nkyere. We don't control ewiem name from anyway, so you name the akwakosi. But me name say emrena so.
Meba mo room say name a true world vision capsules for say and control say when you have pa dia eno ane omo product bi na wunya ebeboa o eno na true world vision capsules no so when you eba say cataract na wo so no glaucoma na wo so no nyina bo a na ni eye ne hene ekeka no oposasa ahwe na da bia na ni ayeko wo de ne say ubenya eye true world vision capsules ene wo eye adrobi so e fe no prostilive na prostilive no eno no ye obi a odwonso ntentem odwonso a wote yaw ewu mu pa ena odwonso na kasa no so no on say obre ansam wadwonso ni nyina na say obenya eye prostilive ni bi anom ena o male 40 na male 40s no eno no eye ade ebeboa mu a wotate yaw wapo no waposo nyina ye wo ja utimi sampa uti dwao ya na waye boho unya bi ebeboa ena o joint 40s eno so no eye de ebebo na male 40s no de ma atenkasem konkan bema watenkasem no wo form untimi mo adwuma empia ema no manko ya unya male 40s a na joint 40s no so no wapo no so nyina na ya na ye wo ja no waye boho no etime toase e de ama ene o lady 40 na lady 40 ne ye oba o menses ne nsisi so u date ne ema yi sa so boso so kura na boso mienu miensa ne umu nsada ne nyina no nya bidum ebeboa papa mo atenkasem eso etime akosoro ama no makoyi e de ama enu achi so active core cleanse ɛno so no ɛhohoro mogya ɛne nipadua ɛma mogya ne timi di afusane ɛma bia kama ne ɛka True Wet Company na ɔmo products no okɔ ɛyɛ baabi atonton nuro bia na obetimi nya bi ato ana friend number na mdi 0206 595707 a obetimi anya bia na 0558 724 302 ofra yɛbɛgye osona bibia ɛso etimi aye kama ɛso ɛde ama na yɛka kyerɛw sɛ Vodafone force bronya na kyɛde na ɔmo de kyɛɛ no ɔmo guso ɔmo kyɛbra na bɛgye odie ne nyina no sɛ woyɛ ɛyɛ Vodafone fixed broadband na ɔmo 200% bonus data ɛno nti fa nwuram na bia enye kama na kwajibi na bia enko Vodafone na feda together na bia enko emfa ema ma me nhyase emfiri the sports messiah ho na onwura ensema wodo a yedigu fie de si wo Tamale ni Black Stars anboaboa no enyina onwura mu kakrama messiah.
Yes, Sabi, ana ye PROs ni bi ne communication directors for clubs, you know. Whenever they are speaking to issues, one thing they should put it at the back of your mind is to respect and conform or more address you. In as much as a person will protect any other thing, respect is very important. If you respect them, uncantro.
Unsena Rafik a protect you.
There me Luther Sebi me metianum no. Me nyintum.
Aha. That's the right word.
Me nyintum. Say nsem na wo kan ye no kore. Sebi yanyan koda. Yahu so bi she white t-shirt na video ni. Yahu se nipa kro na yi insu ato.
Yeah.
O ka che say nipa no she white shirt wo video no ye fele Razak. Oni kurumu ase. Watu kwai. So watu kwai dia that means game na ye boy no. Na enye no ana say a game fufro na ye boy na ye kofa Razak na ye edit. Edi Razak begina honum say onfa nsu ana onfa nsu a bibi wo mu nto. E fa nkobo refi. Mo ma menti ase. Na editors omo wi ase afa na nyina kro mo ye movies o wi ase kra no. Debio. No, editors omo ye movie o wi ase kra no betimi akotam Razak no she white na ba begina ho. Ne ye twa na hey. No, sometimes, just sometimes. Oh, mami fa we nto nchen kakra na mu nkomponko ye chinko hwa de bi ne ensambra bi. Ye okrom ase ya na bofa kwata no kobo Ghana Premier League match war. This same stadium. It was not even against RTU. Na against Karela.
Okay.
Omuri game no na wo say ye de bofa kwata no for players ni nyina gu police bus. No mo bus ni di kan ko gina wo ba bi. Ansana ya formu e de o ma back to sunyane. Ye threaten amanfo. Ye bo amanfo. Ye yamanfo ayakayaka de wo that particular game ni. Ya ante wo hwe. It is even alleged, say, there is a rift between Bruno clubs and the northern clubs. Iti Karela ba Tamale dabe. Iti bofa kwa fo no susu yemu no. Ana omo tena se dwendwen ho no omo allege say omo ditumi ye say ye sabi atu supporters bia
teams be
supporters omo no ma omo na aba be ha omadwe because Karela for no mo ko no supporters ya no mo di friend na se ko ho omo susu yemu no ya anya ho hwe. Then the same stadium we are Saswasesi. I think it is high time I was say a shot here to tell man 4 point. Yes.
It should be the punishment.
It should be the punishment. It is high time I was say a shot here to tell man 4 point. Or the born no. Maybe he collapsed for some time or regaining consciousness.
Or to adie no. And a born
mama super. Iti nyame amfafi. Ana the worst happened. Dear no mobile. Na afi na mo beti ntam ne omako nipa na busu afie na mudi so krokro de dwo na mudi so saa na mo de ade akwakoto na mo di ska na mo de envelope akwakoto ye sremu ye pamocho ye damu mo fanche yo sa na nipa ne de shieko
na japade ahwere
no. Nobody have even decided to even do anything. Nobody opian one ma we decided to be bibia we video ni e clear we nipa na ni maba omo mo di sa adwuma ni nyina no e na da screen yi so aye hwe. What is delaying an arrest? What is delaying a punishment? Ade na na etina omamu yesa. Den ni asenya mpanyifo a omudi club anima omutimi defend this way. Ade.
Because I was expecting him to condemn the act.
Ade ni yesa. Ade ni yesa. Ade ni mambo forsa. Ade ni etrimo esum sa. Itikeye jabi anase ye wo fa bi anaye na na bi na nkasa de we ye na kade na nka be.
Sa no ma wo nyina affected the attendance.
Ade ni yesa. O se ka kire me ade me ya na ye so se ka kire se nipa na o hye white na tukwan. There be Luta Yanyankura. Luta Yanyankura.
Maybe I'm not plane ticket in at all.
Luta,
I know all the honey because
you see, I say a honor compa wokan. Ebia catches a beer or 2 coins, say Abia in context. You really game no 2 coins and I say be after to the back.
Also near.
But what telling Commodore? The guy in white even doesn't exist.
Yes, but we nigga has his CI. We know my more.
Now, Sabi. Hollywood our movie acting ba ye hu so bitimi two shape na nam wiem Shefo Jackie Chan Jet Li on metime try san throw ya wo twa yi
akumi ameda say mo akoma mra from la ye nhwe na
ebe Martin bi na wanom kakra na ye ho kwan ya de be fa so ebe boa pen was in pen asempa no cry ba ko pe babazi what did you know pe Atu for no mo hwe mo ye suban we enye suban papa
the
pride of the north. ITU is a team that is steeped in tradition. Now me call him Caladam Park no.
Okay.
Enye hwe ho biem nkran bi na bobo ho manson da so ti aban team develop ye ni pa bonu for power ya bro for power Caladam Park for all the memories. No? Kebit my book cold, kebit my body division 2.
Oh yeah.
Manson, what Korea Caladam? I went there. Suban winning yes Suban papa. Sa video bia na obi share to JC a ojina camera bi anima em say media phone omo video analyst in the camera anima. Yeah. I'll need to work on that video quickly. The album in the so no asa sorry ba be pejanisa enye na album ba ko bi na am say media ma phone camera nipa no show blue bisa what I say now you see we mo pause enye me da say opede o no the doc we any old video we not say a doctored video.
I send in boom.
Oh, okay. Anyway, mama ni roli. Baby a ojina no. Senka ye twa na ba chire kakra. So baby a VVIP ho e was stadium ho. E ho na chipe na ojina na VVIP na nim e na ojina yes ade no. Wo na e wo mo chi no. And they separate this area away from the VVIP.
Okay.
Now that gentleman you see there, Karela, any mediama bopon, obey us idea we are.
Joshe,
S.R. 13 omo say, Omoni to you by Wednesday, or may say, best say at the ending. Into police and the big na sa video analyst in chain. And son of me to tune in your man kakra, a deaco. Omo garden na ko ram mediama basket. We are born a bobby. Olympus Besham one lobby anyery. Didn't tell me was a police in the general. Good. Only nation before power.
Debut.
How do you win a match?
I'm sure 1-0.
So imagine if they are lost.
Nanka Westerns BC.
Exactly. Subam Sompa.
Because Oti Rafik was say, Omu Denyame so Omu go ni bantem.
Look at that. No, Oye Nejuma. Also so be support 2 team. O ba be pay 3 points. Where there are 3 points, o ko pay there all. In some who sa Kaela ni ITU no. It's not nice. And yet ITU omo bombo we na Obia word ITU, the pride of the North, football made in Dagbam. I mean, there is energy in the stadium, and yes, our negative, aggressive, reckless, irresponsible behavior energy. Somebody ought to tell you people to stop that. More hatim.
Which is a punishment, free throw.
Forget about those people, they are complicit. Sanko Funukade, I chamundim. You're moving. Omaka maybe ata ombobo akun park no akun community no mati trans omaka bia mamati da
dabi
don't meet my boy to for the pa oh that part baby am dia ma boss say what takwa no akun no so mo ka so mo di nsemu na ano e hyesin bibia ati nyanko takwa nti ade na mo de amamfo meko to hawo Oti tamale wa yewe wa seri ITU kwa unkobi Obosi e ko bu obi ba player na say official bi na e ko so fa kwa o so kujo mo ne kasa se onya abutru hwe no Mediama da tamale since omoko he e ko bo against Karela omada ho na no Feila chef Feila ikuka to ya oye Mediama alcohol. They've been part and parcel of the community. Haruna Idris, the honorable member of parliament for Tamale South, Wakosha Omo, almost Akochiano, Nkomodi Bebreo. Mediama Omo da UDS guest house or University of Development Studies.
Okay.
Me say Mediama ne Kaela Ebono. Na RTU fans of stadium wa omo na Mediama for. It was premeditated. But yes, I am football. No? RTU is a symbol of football in the north. Oka RTU no aka Abedi Pele.
Yeah.
Oka RTU aka Alhaji MND Jaula.
Wow.
Oka RTU aka Abu Jones.
Oh.
Oka RTU no aka the one and only Shila Al Hassan, one of the greatest human beings I've met in my life. Shila Al Hassan. Oka team no. Shila Al Hassan mini share was unyane omone bofo akwano. And Al Hassan Mankuyele obo mo chances ni to go nam Mankuyele wo Chelsea no obo chance go. But as soon in the more still obo chance go. Shila Al Hassan so me so ata hwe Mankuyele. Mama me season way. Me dane no. Fem ko hwe Mankuyele bi ma obo goals nam say hey. Bobby Isaraman RTU. Peter Yakubu RTU. Nuruddin Wema RTU. Al Hassan Ria RTU. Najao Isa RTU. Habib, one of the greatest goalkeepers mihu ye e okotoko pra and amanenti banda go ni biem RTU.
Afade.
Aden biem. Aden.
Papa medase pa ma menko asarebodo Mickey
Luther. Okay, so
Fabesman isu ewie ma na menko collect no.
Akomia spoke about the sanctions. The mom ye we ni na a point in tino mo be yes anyoma we na ye bo henya ye intimidate ye.
See team ni be show.
Unless ye be revise kwan ye fa so. A sanction teams or more fans yes idea we no. Ye hu ye ho ano da. The sanction should be revised. Let's look at appropriate means. One of them, the akomia kind, a point deduction. Then we can look at omo yes, they will shout to you, Jesse now. Oko prevent a cameraman from taking footage of a game. Only say obey you may say utia. Utia me efe jiunska. So if the FA cannot ensure that CS stop POB. Say a man in footage of a match I will to huska. Then it means that Sikano Ojia Obo Mwepo. So, among revised sanctions, no, if a team is stopped from recording on one game, ne supporter, ne a year be a saying, you not no to me record here. I was a team, no, or suffer consequences.
The National League should be again to prevent someone from telling the
mindset. Into a way now, near Pacific football, near grow. Maybe sale. Or your video analyst, ne Juma say, or trap footage way now, or the Kobuama coach na in Juma.
Yes.
A player performance, ne quite almost fast ball, no more share. Or say, me won't yet. Because mimi trimune mimi feelings, me feelings me ma won't yet. And this person or yes, no. And now these people or more yes, no. They will go scot free. To me, because at the end of the day, and you're the first time on my yes idea where you be on my ya obedient to me no more. Inti a dada noa and to see a bet nase. Now you revise how we look at say you're true way because why you way Sanyoma we bet to us wakoswa. And until say ye chibie gum to serve as and there have been issues I achichi amount for Wabrochi because of Omo hooligan act. Ghana there, oh yeah. There are times you can even become a hero. Way or a hero, the more local, some more endorse, Charlie, where they champion where your boy or be
on a tune soon kobo MC no.
It means the narrative or the conversation needs to change. Yes, yes, Adiana. We a bet to so sa. 2. Referees no mumbu or mo kakra.
Ade.
End our game almost the second half almost started at 4:55.
Let's say a delay bet.
Nothing stops you from calling off such a game, especially when the match commissioner has been hit. Ayana musro di. Diana musro. Enti game na wudi no. Unim se on quiet at risk. And oh here. But say obi be fu no obi be ye we ni na ope. Look at the total ball match commissioner no. Dosena so yin kakra. I want to find the truth in say o collapse and pa na one collapse. But the way I didn't see ball likelihood say obenya a shock and then there will be a reaction no e was wrong. Obiyam to mission no brim. No ebu ahwe. Obiyam to mission no na the BP sorry. Into obiane how was he reacted to some of these things.
Say you BB with force it's a
implication. And then yes, you as a blog woman.
Oh.
Ice block. Ice block.
Now if you say the no
because so much when you na so can subsequently obenya
oh and a born ne woman say
like head injury
baby to me see so enti ya bibi say we enya time a game na first half immediately you call off the game immediately pon game no na ma take decision say game no mundi bion ama ya twentwen so a 4:55 no abebo abensi mbebo second half game near starting at 3 p.m. Until 3 p.m. near about 45 minutes. What they fan say the 4 minutes cross answer can we saying. And yet 3:50. Until 4:55 over 1 hour answer near abebo second half. And I'm sure some quality of the game. Until Monko Hiamo. So until referees and match officials decide to respect themselves and value their lives, ombekoswa yo say ya. Because some of them say omode ya mo pe no mo pa chawa.
Mo be jam naka.
Exactly. Third one. On for video in Infantus Mo Stadium.
Mamema 1 minute pe. 1 minute.
Or the video neto so stadium.
Hey,
this is supposed to be a national stadium. Shut that out no. Ye Chaba TV so.
Even
the tunnel no material na cover so no ehojo
now as I been as a form of carpet be as so no
a green way be the man say a bit beautifying this stadium is badly crying for renovation stadium ni so esuma ma say mesra mo de mo mbesiesie me pamocho mo mbesiesie me His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, we our assignment. We is regime. And a former vice president Dini the so a absolute disgrace. Said the state of this facility basically
why you are campaigning for president. Come on.
Park we na all sa. Yes, say repeat park. Park na nkasa fun. Park na boss ball. Fun ankasa. So do 96 wa. Fun or fun more fun pa futa. Na mum in from fancy Friday, ABC Monday. It will be about 7 matches also.
A day. A day.
Women's Premier League matches. Honey, nothing ladies.
Division. Me ba chomo yem fese what 3 I be say be to so shoot at mama callers na kwanya na me fa be 2-3 calls.
No, but Luther, I was at the vice
0548931931 0551931931. Ubeti ma frɛ Edward Benche aban sama wodo a ya bobɔ so ene ewo ye dwumadi so 0548931931 0551931931. Ubeti ma memfa me first caller. Hello. Yes, I would need baby free.
Richard, because I put it here, what television?
Yenti ominua.
Hey, Maria, start to be active radio. No, because the particular football and the particular speech, I think they need to and the Mandana. Now you're ball, the dear money active, that's supporters will be a bit hard. And then you have to put it so the problem chapter, number 4 from 85 up to 89. Let them football both sides. The ball, my wife will say, the ball comes from the ball. But you know this, suffering legend is a football, go and make it dear. And if you be dear, my elbow was so. When you do that, what a common ball. Let's say a bubble team, let's be this. I mean, you kill the spirit of the better football. I mean, and yet, before they're able to kill us, and I say, you cannot give to that. I don't know. You a terrible person, you use a department. It can wait about a watch in the Babao. Let's talk about us and education. This answer.
Medasi, Medasi. I'm in fan of that.